The cabin air filter is located at front passenger glove compartment. Open the glove compartment. Press both sides of the compartment. And pull the compartment out. Easier to use both hands at the same time. Take note of the catch. It will make fixing the compartment back easier. Inside is the cabin air filter. Open the cover. Pull out the cabin filter to change. Push in the new cabin air filter. Make sure it is facing the right direction. Put back the cover. Make sure it clicked back properly. Remember the catch to take note? Make sure both sides of the compartment is in the catch. Use both hands to press the compartment side and push in. Engine air filter located under driver's seat. There is 2 safety clipper. Unclip both clipper. Pull the seat upwards. Open all 3 clipper. Open the engine air filter cover. Remove and replace filter. Close back filter cover. Make sure all 3 clip is clipped properly. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.